tell me when. So what we have here is our electric deer fence. We've enclosed our whole field where we're going to put our lettuce and other stuff that they love to eat. We've enclosed it with wire, and then this is our energizer, and it's connected. The green wire goes down to a grounding rod, and the red wire clips onto our electric fence. And so when the deer come, they'll get a little zap on their noses when they sniff these apple-scented caps, and it will really surprise them, and hopefully they will stay out of our field. So now I'm going to turn it on, and it's on, and now I'm going to test it by pushing this button. And we're all the way at the top, so it means that we have a lot of electricity running through this fence.
Hot fence. Sorry, guys.